Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 10th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So we did end up getting those one, two, three waves up to a Fibonacci level that I was talking about this morning. I said this is likely an A, this is likely a B. I always try to keep my options open too, so if it is a wave one, wave two, and wave three, that definitely is possible. Once it takes out this low right here, I would throw my Fibonacci retracement back on this series of higher highs, higher lows. Then I would observe it to see if it makes a wave C like this and then continues the uptrend, or whether it makes a wave three, which a wave three will just continue to make lower lows, lower highs going down and giving us a more significant break of structure. Because of the daily time frame, I'm definitely leaning towards ABC, but as always, the market's the only one that knows best. So we just need to trade what we see, not what we think. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.